What's up, TikTok? I got this nice pet grooming dryer in the mail, and I am going to be giving it a try. Give Miss Malia a bath because she's starting to be a little stinky. This is a 2-in-1 slicker brush hair dryer. I was really shocked at how light this is. It's really nice. The gold and the white, it's like a rose gold. I just really like the colors. Here's the brush. The air will come out of here. I'm really excited to use this. I can't wait. So stay tuned. We'll be back and we'll show you how we use it. All right. All right, TikTok. We're back. We're bathed. We don't really care for the bathtub too much, but I'm gonna turn it on. Give me just a second. One hand. Just to let her, sniff it. Let her know that it's not gonna hurt her and that it's okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. We didn't like that. Okay, see it? Good girl. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. See? 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 Good girl. It's a good girl. Yeah. It's a good girl. What do you think, Malia? Do you like it? You like it, Mama? See? And the air is cool. It's not, real hot. All right. Well, you guys, I am pretty satisfied with this. I am going to enjoy this. This is going to make it so much easier for me to dry her and get her all fresh and clean. Say, we like it, don't we, Mama? She just don't like the camera, y'all. All right, well, I'm going to post a link in my bio if you guys are interested in buying. Go ahead and give it a shot for your babies. All right, see you later.